What if I told you 3 harmless budgeting tips are secretly costing you over $5,000 each year? Stick around. I'll show you exactly what to ditch and what to do instead. Hey everyone, welcome to Money Mind Method. If you want to stop money leaks and learn real budgeting, hit subscribe and ring the bell now. Today, we're busting 3 common budgeting myths. These aren't bad habits you hear in Facebook groups. They're widely accepted ideas that actually drain your wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plug those leaks and keep an extra $5,000 plus in your pocket. Myth 1. Automatic bill pay solves all your money problems. Sure, you won't miss a payment, but you might forget services you don't use. But here's the catch. When everything is on autopilot, it's easy to forget recurring charges that no longer serve you. Think about that gym membership you signed up for in January. Now you never go, but you're still being billed $25 a month. That's $300 a year down the drain. Multiply that by a streaming service and an old subscription box, and you've already lost over $500. How to fix? Every 3 months. Check your bank statement, cancel anything you don't use, set a reminder on your phone so you don't forget. Myth number 2, you must follow the 50-30-20 rule to the letter. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. It's a good starting point, but life isn't that neat. Imagine rent and bills eat 60% of your income, but you force only 50% for needs. Then your car breaks down, and you don't have enough set aside, so you swipe a high-interest card. How to fix? Try 60-20-10, 10 rules, 60% needs, 20% wants, 10% savings, and 10% emergency fund. That extra 10% can cover surprises and save you hundreds in interest. If you're finding value so far, smash that like button and share this video. Your future self will thank you. Myth number 3. Budgeting is boring spreadsheets and endless calculations. If that's your experience, you're doing it wrong. Try a budgeting app like GoodBudget or Inab. They give you badges, progress bars, and even fun challenges, turning saving into a game. How to fix? Pick one app or even a bullet journal system. Track just 3 things: income, fixed expenses, and one fun category. Keep it simple. Turn your budget into a mini challenge. No spend weekends, 30-day saving streaks, etc. You'll actually look forward to checking your budget. So there you have it, 3 popular budgeting myths costing you thousands every year. By manually auditing subscriptions, creating a buffer fund, and making budgeting fun, you can reclaim over $5,000 annually. If you're ready to take control of your money, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below which myth surprised you most, and I'll see you in the next video of Money Mind Method.